Winding through the heart of spectacular European destinations such as Düsseldorf, Rudesheim and Strasbourg, the Rhine River is a delight for both new cruisers and past guests. But did you know you can combine two rivers into one 7, 10 or 11-night journey? Pair the Rhine's fairy tale castles with the storybook towns and fascinating legends that can be found along the breathtaking Moselle River. Considered the best kept secret in river cruising, Germany's Moselle River glides past awe-inspiring landscapes, including the world's steepest vineyards. You will have several chances to taste the region's celebrated Riesling wines, both on board and within the vineyards themselves. Trace the history of the Roman Empire as you glide through enchanting towns such as Trier, which boasts 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and Cologne, which grew up in the shadow of its spectacular Reichsburg Castle. There's also charming Bern Castle, with its narrow cobblestone streets and castle ruins, providing the perfect summit for our included hikes with sweeping views of the river below. From the 40 miles of the Rhine Gorge to the world's steepest vineyards, AmaWaterways Rhine Moselle river itineraries are truly not to be missed. We hope to welcome you on board one of our beautiful river cruise ships very soon.